I now invite Dr. Shalini Rajneesh from the Indian Administrative Service to come and receive the Vishalakshi Award for 2014. She has been committed towards creating a corrupt-free society through accountable and timely government services.
She's done pioneering work to create accountable government services for people in India. Please give her a very big hand.
Then,
Morning, everybody. I'm Shalini, belonging to government. And government, I don't know how many of you would have a very positive reaction towards, but, but thanks to Art of Living, an effort that has been made by the government of Karnataka to make government people's own government, a government which cares for its citizens and their time, most importantly, gives what they have committed to give in a hassle-free manner. In a way, they said, a corruption-free society. If you ask women, I think you would probably in the front to say that we don't want corruption, and given a chance, if we are in the hold of the reins, there shall be no corruption in this world, isn't it? And that is what we all are celebrating about. A quick view that women and time consciousness is, I think, probably something which goes with nature. Imagine not getting married in time, not having a child in time, not sending them to school in time, not having the food in time, not having the house cleaned up in time, and not doing whatever you were supposed to do in time. It just doesn't, go with our nature. We have to get it in time. And that's precisely that mother's nature, a woman's nature. Now, thankfully, our government in Karnataka is absorbing. I have 600,000 employees catering to more than 60 million citizens of Karnataka who are enjoying timely delivery of any service, be it birth certificate or an income certificate or a driving license. Say what you want from government. I'm so proud to say that all our employees, whether men or women, I have determined to say that yes, we will change the brand image of government. We will show that we care for our citizens. We will be sensitive to their needs. And I hope with your encouragement and your this particular gesture, my entire staff will get much more strength to care for you in the days to come, become a role model, not just in the country, but in the world. Thank you so much.